In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Pop Mart app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is search for Pop Mart and then go ahead and click on open. Now from here, we're going to be on the home page, but we need to pay attention on the bottom tabs here and click onto me. Then from here, it's going to say sign in, but there's no sign up button. So basically what we need to do is just click on sign in, and then we can sign in or register. So we can enter your email address, click continue, or you can also join with Line or Google account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to join up with my Google account. Oh, I've just picked my account. Now from here, we can go ahead and edit our profile. So we can add a profile picture in if you like. So while using the account only this time, so you can take a image. All right, so I want to choose this image here. Now our nickname, we can change that if we want, and also we can add a mobile number and birthday. So if you want to unlock birthday perks, I suggest adding that in. You can also put in your gender in here as well. Now if we go back, we can see our account has been successfully created, and we can see our points, our benefits, and all that stuff here, and also your assets.